Alright, what's up guys? I'm here at Coney Motorsports, here to pick up 2 dirt bikes, 2 Kawasaki's. Check them out. This is mine. This is my brother's. He got to 85, I got a 100. Let me know what you think. Year 2021. Check it out. This place is pretty cool. Look it up. Look at everything they got in here.
So both bikes, owner's manuals, and then this is spark plug wrench, and then these are spacers for the handlebars. Okay. So you can adjust the height for these guys. If it's
Let me know what you
higher or
think.
lower, that's what those little spacers
We just finished up the deal. Coney Power Sports, not Motorsports, Power Sports. Just loaded the Tacoma. Check it out, man. 2 Kawasaki's 2021s. This one's mine. This one's mine. 100. Brand new. Brand new. This is my brother's 85. They're 2 strokes. I'm excited, man. We're going straight to the desert. I want to see what I got do. Oh, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think, man. I'm super excited. I don't know what it's. We're going straight to the desert. Next video is gonna be us in the desert. Yeah, man. Super happy right now. This is my first bike ever. But yeah, man, we're going straight to the desert. I want to see what it could do. Let me know what you think. Yeah, man.